And I've never, ever met a trainer like Neeraj in my lifetime, because I've been overweight since I was a child. And I thought the first time I came, why is he feeding me so much? Why I'm trying to lose weight. I'm telling him I want to lose weight. He's feeding me. He said, don't think about weight. And that time I was not in a good place mentally. And he said, you first mentally fix yourself, leave the rest to me.
नीरज हर एक स्टूडेंट पे या क्लाइंट पे इतना फोकस्ड है कि किसको क्या सूट होगा, क्या करने से उसका एक लेवल बढ़ सकता है स्टैमिना में या फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में या स्ट्रेंथ में. सो ही टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ कीन केयर, नॉट just for fitness, about food also, about what exercises to do also, and also ये जो जगह पे हम रह रहे हैं वो भी जो ढूंढा है इन्होंने, that itself speaks a lot about how much care he has taken in all the details.
What he does is he builds up your confidence level, gives you the right kind of energy. He's not a magician, he says, but I think he's not less than a magician. If you support him in your own journey, he's the best person to come to. He believes in everything natural, no supplements or anything, or diets that you cannot follow later on in your life. It is basically a lifestyle change that he is doing for you.
Neeraj will make you feel at home, and he's like that one brother or that guardian angel who is always around you, checking if everything is okay, is checking each and everything, like with food, is everything okay, I want it to be perfect for you guys, I just want you to be relaxed with this whole trip, and everything that he says, you know, it motivates you. And really, to be honest, I'm looking forward to do this more in my life, and maybe until I'm old, I will be able to do this with Neeraj in Fitness Bootcamp.
So नीरज सर के बारे में क्या बोलूँ, मतलब आप आ गए तो आप खुद को उनके हाथ में सौंप दीजिए, खत्म हो गई बात. ही इज गोइंग टू लुक आफ्टर एवरीथिंग. ही हैज प्रिपेयर्ड द होल trip in such a nice manner. It's seamless, and you're going to have, you know, the time of your life. Just give it all, be open to experiences, and it's going to be the best time.
He makes sure the attitude that he brings in very, very calmly, nothing pushy, nothing that's pressing you to do something, but just brings out that attitude in yourself to go get some fitness done on a daily basis. I think that's just wow about this.
Don't think what you can do, think about what you can achieve, and Neeraj will make sure that you achieve the best version of yourself. I always pushed myself, I always ensured that I show up for the session. I did what he said to me, I had the meals, I slept well, I had the right nutrition, I had the right water intake and everything, and I got my results. I will also mention, and I love about this program was there's no gimmicky workout, there's no like gimmicky meal setup that or crash diets or anything. You will get homely cooked meals, something that you can easily follow back at home.
Learn a lot of things from him. If you are here, I would suggest come here for 2 months, and first 3 weeks, do not question him, do not just believe him blindly. Take my word for it. He knows what he is doing, and to the detail. He sleeps, eats, drinks, all our bio. He knows blood groups, this, that. Oh my God, what he goes through. Learn boxing, learn running, cycle, breathing, and ask him anything. If you work out with him, he's a perfect partner. If you have any doubts, just walk up to him anytime. I think amongst all the trainers I've been with, I can't find anybody much more well-rounded than he is.
They're just like, always he'll motivate. No, we can, yes. So that was literally like, we can't explain. You have to experience here. You have to come here and experience it.
Neeraj sir is obviously the mastermind behind this entire plan. He's been very nice, he's been very supportive. He's taken care of us like children, even though we're full-grown adults here. But I mean, if you're falling sick, if you're not feeling well, if you need something, everything is like the moment you land at Leh, you don't have to stress about anything in life. So this program is very, very well organized.
Best part about this fitness camp is they introduce you to a very sustainable routine. They make you more independent in terms of health and lifestyle, and no amount of coaches or no amount of nutritional diets can help you do that, because you can always get those diets available, but like your mind body needs to be in sync in order to attain that desired result. So the ecosystem provided here, I think, is the best thing ever that I could ask for. It has really helped me push so far in the last 4 weeks, and I am sure that I'll be able to push further because of the mindset that I have gathered from this community.
People like Neeraj bringing in fitness into vacation is an absolute blessing.
नीरज के बारे में मुझे एक चीज़, मतलब 2-3 चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एक तो उनका वो लाइक बिजनेस करना है, बट उनका एक कोर वैल्यू है, दैट इज़ ट्रस्ट. तो ट्रस्ट वो मतलब बिल्ड करने के लिए हर एक डिटेल पे ध्यान देते हैं. और उससे एक दूसरी चीज़ डाउन टू अर्थ है. लाइक आपको छोटा सा, मुझे एकदम सिंपल डाउट था कि 2 पेयर ऑफ शूज़ क्यों लेने हैं, बट उन्होंने ऐसे नहीं बोला कि ये ऐसा क्या क्वेश्चन है. लेकिन आपको सब इन्फॉर्मेशन अच्छे से बता देते हैं, और ऐसे लगेगा कि भी नहीं कि वो होस्ट है. लाइक ये ऐसे लगेगा कि ग्रुप के ही मेंबर है. सो या एनर्जी लेवल उनका अलग ही था.
I've had so many trainers, I've tried so many fad diets, but he actually teaches you. He's not one of these people who holds information back just because you'll return to him. His goal is that you don't come back to him. His goal is that you give him that one opportunity, and he is a master of his craft. He has so many certifications, and he has an amazing team, and they look after you like their own family, which I haven't seen, because usually trainers, they're like here to make money, this, that. No, he provides everything.
Have a very clear purpose on what kind of people they want to work with and what kind of work they want to do with them. There is no upselling, there are no hidden costs. In fact, they are so particular about your needs that they will surprise you with your favorite food. They will make sure they remember the tiniest things about you, and that just tells me that they have a very clear purpose on helping people with the transformation journey. And if your purpose is to have a transformational journey with the perfect team around you, the perfect people around you, people around you, then this is the place to come and do it.
मुझे ना एक्चुअली आने से पहले नीरज के बारे में मैंने ना ज़्यादा वो नहीं किया था, बट आफ्टर कमिंग हियर मुझे मैं कभी किसी एथलीट से नहीं मिली थी, तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें उनसे सीखने मिली. उनसे टाइम के इम्पोर्टेंस, वो जितने डेडिकेटेड हैं अपने काम के लिए या फिर अपने हेल्थ के लिए, जो हम लोग कभी नहीं थे. मैं तो कभी नहीं थी. और कुछ जो बातें हैं जो उन्होंने बोली है कि हमारी हेल्थ के लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए. मैंने बहुत सही डिसीजन लिया यहाँ के, क्योंकि सब के सब बहुत यूथफुल हैं, एज डजंट मैटर, और बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है सब के सब.